Yeah, welcome back. I'm back in the shack. It's M0YKS. Greetings, hello, 73. And I've just been playing with the Rotator as I repaired it a little bit earlier, the gearbox. So right now I'm trying it out. I fixed the elevation side. I think you saw it in the earlier video. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a good weekend. It's May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Star Wars Day. And right now I've got RS-44 to just give some this satellite array a quick test out. So I'm hoping I've got the actual antennas in the right direction. I think I have. I've managed to make 1 or 2 contacts previously on SO50 earlier this afternoon, and right now it's SSB time. So let's give it a go and see what we can hear coming through.
Echo Alpha 5 Golf Juliet from Italy, Kilo 7 Foxtrot Mike, Quebec.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, good evening, 59 Juliet November 90.
That's Juliet November 90. Good evening, you 59, Italy Oscar 93, Europe.
Roger, 73, and a good weekend from IK7 Florida, Mexico Queen. Ciao, ciao.
So yeah, that's Italy on the approaching path of RS-44 as it approaches nicely up the coast of Portugal and Spain.
Your flight 9 in Kilo November 32 Romeo Mike. Kilo November 32 Romeo Mike, over.
QSL, 100% copy on that. Many thanks. And best 73. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Bye-bye.
73, thanks for the QSL, Mary Jack.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, CQ, Echo, India 3, Fox Whiskey, Portable, Echo India 3, Florida, Washington, Portable, CQ.
Echo India 3, Fox Whiskey Portable, 50, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
So he's got a bit of a pilot going on for the station out of Ireland.
Echo India 3, Fox Whiskey, thanks for the call. You're 5-9 in Italy, Oscar 6-5. Italy, Oscar 6-5, QSL. Roger, thank you. 5-9, Juliet, November 90, Juliet, November 90, Roger.
So we lost the Irish station slightly. It's portable. We worked in before plenty of times.
India 3, Florida, Whiskey Portable from Italy, Kilo 7, Foxtrot Mike, Quebec. Juliet, November 90, Roger.
QSL. And you're 5-9, Italy Oscar 6-5. Italy Oscar 6-5, QSL.
So a little bit of fade on the bird. Not unusual.
Hello CQ, Echo India 3, Florida, Washington, portable. Echo India 3, Fox Whiskey, portable, CQ.
Echo India 3, Fox Whiskey, portable, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Pilot.
Oscar Kilo 2, Zulu Charlie, 59, Italy Oscar 65, QSL.
Roger, Craig. Thank you for your 59, Juliet Nancy 89. Thank you.
73, bye-bye.
Bye.
Delta Kilo 6, Romeo Sierra.
Delta Kilo 6, Romeo Sierra, 59, Italy Oscar 65, Italy, QSL.
Roger, QSL, Italy Oscar 65, 59 from Juliet November 68 Alpha X-ray. Juliet November 68 Alpha X-ray, QSL please.
QSL, many thanks for that. 73, bye-bye.
73, bye-bye, cheerio.
Cheerio.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yeah, Roger, hi there, Craig. You're 59, Italy Oscar 93, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
QSL, you're also 59, Italy Oscar 65, Italy Oscar 65, QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Italy Oscar 65. Thanks very much. Catch you again. Have fun.
So yeah, Craig coming in nicely there on the RS-44 Bird as we try. The antennas seems to be working okay so far. We'll see if we can receive anybody else.
Alpha Romeo Lima Zulu 1 Charlie Whiskey Kilo Lima Zulu 1 Charlie Whiskey Kilo. Do you copy?
Okay, Lima Zulu 1 Charlie Whiskey Kilo, Iseco Alpha 1 Golf Alpha Romeo, Fahrenheit, India November 52.
Okay, you're 5-9 in Kilo November 32 Romeo Mike. Echo Alpha 1 Golf Alpha Radio, Lima Zulu 1 Charlie Whiskey Kilo, over.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, my friend. To the contact, 73, and good luck. Bye-bye. Echo Alpha 3, Alpha Yankee Kilo. Sí, Eco Alfa 3, Eco Alfa 3, Alfa Yankee Kilo, Eco Alfa 1, Golf Alfa Romeo, 59, India November, 52, Papa Bravo, QSL. Roger, 59, Juliet November 11, Bravo Kilo, 73, buenas noches. Ok, muchas gracias por el contacto, 73, hasta pronto.
Echo Alpha 1, Golf Alpha Romeo, good evening, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, 59, Ion 93, over.
Thank you very much. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, is Echo Alpha 1, Golf Alpha Romeo. You're 59, India November 52, QSL.
QSL IO November 52, 73, have a nice weekend.
Thank you very much, good luck, and 73, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
India 3, Fox Whiskey, portable.
Thanks for the contact. Bye.
So some nice signals, and obviously my antennas point in the right direction, hitting it quite nicely.
Italy Kilo 1, Delta Oscar Charlie, calling satellite. IK1, DOC, calling sat.
Italy Kilo 1, Delta Oscar Charlie, 59 report from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Italy Oscar 93, over.
Okay, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, 59 for you. Juliet Nancy 4-5 Alpha Nancy. Okay, my friend?
Yeah, Roger, very good copy from JN45 Alpha Nancy. Thanks very much, catch you again, 73, ciao.
Okay, good weekend, Alpha
73, bye.
Bye-bye. So yeah, nice one.
Kilo 1, Delta Oscar
Charlie, calling a satellite. IK1, DRC, calling a shot. Italy Kilo, round that straight. Charlie, calling you. Hotel Alpha 1, Sierra Echo. Hotel Alpha 1, Sierra Echo, over. Okay, Hotel Alpha 1, Sierra Echo, 59 for you. Juliet Nancy 4, 5 Alpha Nancy, okay, my friend? Okay, good evening. Thank you for report. Your report 59. Locator Juliet Nancy 87, Mike Oscar. Juliet Nancy 87, Mexico, Ontario. Copy me, Mike, back to you. Okay, answer copy.
So just checking the bandwidth of the bird, which is generally about 30 kilohertz wide, moving downwards as the bird passes by. QRZ SAT, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra, Italy, Oscar 93, calling CQ, over. Lima Zulu 1, Charlie, Whiskey, Kilo, thank you, good evening, you're 5 by 9, Italy, Oscar 93, over. Yeah, Roger, no problem, my call is Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilowatt, Sugar, QSL. Yeah, Roger, we've had a few contacts in the past. Nice to work you again. Enjoy the weekend, and great to get you on RS44. Lima Zulu 1 Charlie Whiskey Kilowatt 73 Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. So yeah, nice signal coming in from Bulgaria as we almost run out of time with the bird. QRZ please, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. CQ SAT, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. CQRS 44, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. CQ Satellite, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Calling Satellite, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. CQ Sat, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. So yeah, still hitting it with a nice signal. Very happy with the cleanup of the antennas, realigning, and obviously the repairs to the rotator. The elevation box is working fine as we hit RS44. QRZ, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Mexico 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sugar calling. CQ Sat, Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. CQ Sat. Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee, Kilo, Sugar. CQ Sat, over. So yeah, we're pushing our luck now. We're out on the fringes of the pass, but still making a little signal into it. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. So that's just about it, and that's over the 3000k, heading north east over the Arctic. RS44 coming in loud and clear on the ground station of M0YKS. So thanks for watching, have yourself a good May the 4th, and may the 4th be with you. Till next time, catch you soon, and I'm pleased I did that repair. It seems to be working out well. 73